boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Lawrence Spencer Smith with GAYLE and BEIHOLD. This one is called Fantasy. So a very easy build up here. We have one verse and one chorus. Basically that's it. I'm gonna give you these different parts and you have to put it together on your own. So let's take a look at this cool song. We have the capo here on the first fret. I believe that is a good scenario for us. So let's take a look at the chords. We have first the A, that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have the D minor, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. Then we have the C sharp. What I do here, I use the bar chord of course, but I use two bars actually. So one bar is placed on the fourth position here, on all strings over bar there, except from the E string here, last E string, so 5 strings like this. But then I also take some help with my ring finger there. I place another new bar here from the D string and down on the 6th fret. So fret number 6 and play that. All right, so it's basically one finger. It could be used here on the 4th fret A string, and then the rest is just a bar on the 6th fret, but I believe it's easier to get a grip here with 2 bars. So that's what's going on. That is the C sharp. Then we have the F sharp minor, another bar chord, this time on the 2nd fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. And speaking of D, that is the last chord, and that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. So we're gonna look into these different parts like that soon. First, a strumming pattern that is used. So grab the A, that is the first chord, and one string around will be down, 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 up, like this. So I'm playing the first 2 downs on the bass strings and the last down, down, up on top strings, top or mid strings. Some variation there in the strumming, that's the reason. So bass, bass, top, top, top. And like that. All right, so the first verse, you're gonna play A, 1 string around, and then D minor, 1 string around. You just go back and forth between A and D minor, and that is what's going on in the verse. So a couple rounds of it goes like this. I believe, just to specify, it's a 4 round combo there, A and D minor, and that takes us to the chorus. Okay, so the chorus is played A, and then C sharp, then F sharp minor, and D. And 1 string around per chord, so A, C sharp, F sharp, and D, like this. So that is the chorus, and we have also a bridge part later on in the song. You don't have to think that much about it. It's played in the exact same way as the chorus plays. So basically we have 2 different ways of playing, the verse and the chorus, and that's it. You have to put it all together on your own there. So that pretty much covers the song called Fantasy. So yep, good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.